Why you need to take massive action if you want to succeed. If achieving success is easy, then literally every single person on this planet is going to be successful. Both you and I know that's not the case, nor will it ever be the case. In this presentation, you're going to find out why you need to take massive action if you ever want to be successful in life. Many people believe in luck while many others don't. I'm not going to present a case here whether luck exists or not. However, the point I want to make is that if you want to succeed, you're going to have to remove the word luck from your vocabulary. It's so easy to become complacent. It's so easy to say, I'll try again tomorrow. Maybe I'll get lucky. To become successful, you're going to have to follow the path of many successful people. Want to know how they got to where they are now? Well, let me spell it out for you. They simply took massive action. They didn't wait for their luck to change. They worked with whatever they had. They overcame obstacles. They took positive action. They learned from their mistakes and their failures. Their success didn't happen overnight. Sure, it may look like it. One day they're just average people and the next day they're millionaires. But ask them what they did to get there. They'll probably tell you about their sleepless nights, the massive amounts of caffeine they had to consume just to keep going, their tears of frustration. What people see is the successful individual before them. They don't see the failures nor how long it took them to get where they are. Successful people took action. They learned to get better over time. They learned from their past failures. And they certainly didn't wait for luck to come their way. Taking massive action means you're going to have to be committed. You're going to be passionate about whatever it is you're planning to achieve. You'll plan every step of the way. You'll anticipate challenges. You'll fix whatever needs to be fixed to see your dream come to life. Find out what drives you from within, what motivates you, what lights a fire under you. Once you find what these are, you'll discover it will be much easier for you to take massive action so you can reach your dreams and your goals in life.